guys, this is Junming and we're from CAS, and today we're going to Kenrick's house. So Kenrick is this fantastic dude, right, who grows a lot of stuff, and by a lot, I'm going to show you, alright? Let's go take a look. So Kenrick's going to start the tour, alright?
Okay. As you can see to my left over there, there's a vegetable plot that me and my mom do. It houses chisim and lettuce. And some spinaches as well. As you can see, like some of them has actually bolted into flowers. So we're actually going to hope that we can get seeds from this so that we can grow some more.
So are these the spinaches?
No, these are lettuce.
Lettuce. Okay, I thought they were spinach. Wow.
We actually there's some like really big leaves right here. And we actually had some for dinner, I think like 2 days ago.
Oh, wow.
For burgers. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, and this is a lemon tree. That isn't really a big tree because we combined it into the pot so that it can grow from here instead of upwards. And if you look closely over here, okay, yeah, over here, right here. And there's actually a part where the lemon is starting to grow. So this is actually a flower that has, what's that word called?
The pollinate.
Ah yes, a pollinated flower.
Yeah. This is really cool, guys. Can you imagine having your own lemon tree at home? I want one now.
There's more over here actually, but they're like really tiny.
Right. Right, so actually what's this? I'm just very curious.
This is the Brazilian spinach and watercress, I think. So they grow really fast, and we have them for dinner quite often as well. They can be rooted in rooting powder and be like planted into sponges so that they can root, and then you can like put them into a hydroponic system such as that. Or yes. We're just missing the UV light, but for now we'll talk about that later. And over here we have like Mexican mint. It grows damn fast. So like we kind of have to chop it down like every few days, every few weeks like that. As you can see, it's already starting to grow back like really.
Can I have a taste of it? Is it edible?
I think it's edible, but I don't know what my mom sprayed on it. Yeah, so.
Oh wow, dude, it's super peppery. It's minty and sweet, and it goes amazingly well with I think seafood, fish, or the pork. Take a look, come on guys.
Okay, as you can see here, here's like a loofah plant. And if you look all the way up there, we have flowers coming up.
All the yellow ones up there, right?
Yeah, so with these flowers, we have more loofahs which can be dried to form loofah sponges that can be used for scrubbing, skin exfoliation, and to wash dishes as well. This is citronella. I would say it's nature's mosquito repellent. Smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
And like what me and my mom used to do when we were out gardening, we'll just take a leaf, rub it on our legs, and get along with it, and we won't be bitten by any mosquitoes. Over here we have some arrowhead spinaches, and over here some more lettuce and spinach. Chisim over here as well. And over here,
well, you know, it's well watered. It's a happy plant. I think it's extremely important.
and then over here we have a passion fruit. Been here for quite a while. We actually intended for the loofah, the grape, and the passion fruit to cover that entire top.
The trellis.
Yeah, to make like a natural shelter.
Right.
So yeah, it's just taken a while. And over here we have an aloe vera that has been with me since 2009.
10 years.
Yes, so it's like 10 years old.
10 years old, guys.
So like a fun fact about the aloe vera plant is that it has anti-inflammatory properties and can be used to treat like many stuff such as like skin, like burns, sunburn, and also like cut wounds. It will help to like heal it faster. So, but the thing that you want to use to heal it is the white color. The white color gel and not the yellow color set, because the yellow color set is an irritant, and it has been used to wean babies from sucking on from breastfeeding. Yeah, because it's extremely bitter.
Medicinal user.
And over here we have a grape, as I mentioned before.
Has it born seed?
No. We're still trying to figure out how. I think we have to change we have to add more phosphorus to the soil or something like that. And over here we got some, I think it's lavender.
Really?
I think. If I remember correctly.
It's interesting.
Yeah, I forgot what plant this was. And over here we have pink guava. And here we have chilies. So as you can see, like, yeah, this is the green one. Yeah, this is the red one. If you want, you can just try it. You can pluck one and try it.
Should I? What do you think?
It's really spicy.
Spicy, did I better?
Yeah, and to water all of these when me and my mom are not free, we actually have this little watering system. So like it's this black color pipe and this yellow color orange sprinklers. So I programmed it to I set the timer to run for 5 minutes every 12 hours. So at around 8:30 every day. In the morning and at the night, it will just water itself out.
After the 12 hours.
Yeah. There's actually a add-on that you can add to that when you wait so that you water it. Yeah, but I don't have it because it's kind of expensive. Yeah.
Right.
To the back garden.